In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a thumbnail for YouTube in Photoshop. Let's first create a thumbnail size. Go to File, New. These options are used to create page size. The size for the thumbnail is width 1280, length 720, and hit OK. First, we need a background for thumbnail. I often used websites for background. Unsplash is one of the best websites for free stock images. Search for background and download. Go to File, Place Embedded. Open your file and rotate by holding Shift on your keyboard and scale it. Now select this layer and rasterize. Lock this layer. If you want to use your own photo, you can easily do this. But I'm using this image. Simply go to File, Place Embedded. Select your photo layer. Go to Quick Selection. And click on Select Subject. This will automatically select your subject. And add a layer mask. Now if you zoom you can see some white areas. To remove this, select this mask layer. Go to Brush Tool. And set foreground color to black. Right click and use Soft Brush. And start erase the unwanted areas. Pretty much good. But before we move, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please like and share. Back to work. Use Move tool to move your image. You can move your image anywhere you want. But best side for YouTube thumbnail is right. And text on left side. Now we need to type your text. For this, create a new layer and type your text. I'm typing how to make YouTube thumbnail. Select all by holding Shift on the keyboard. And scale the text. You can change your font as well. Select all with Move tool and then use Type tool. Go to Windows. Then to Character. From this you can change font setting whatever font you like. I'm changing font color to white. Now go to Rectangle tool and create rectangle like this. Put this rectangle layer under the text. Do the same with other text lines as well. If you want to use YouTube sign, you can download this from Google. Now go to File and place YouTube button icon. Double click on the layer, where the button is placed. Click on the drop shadow. And play with these setting. And boom! This is how you can create YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop. If you find this tutorial useful, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorial.